10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number power. On today's show, we will learn all about large numbers. We have learned about numbers from 1 to 99. 1 is a single-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all single-digit numbers because there is only one digit in each number. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 25, 30, 38, 50, 66, 74, 83, 99. These are all double-digit numbers, 2 digits in each number. All of the numbers between 10 and 99 are 2-digit numbers. What comes after 99? The next number is 100. Repeat after me. 100. Good. Let's try it again. 100. One more time. 100. Well done. What comes after 100? That's easy. It's 101. Repeat after me. 101. Again. 101. Good. Now count with me. Ready? 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. Do you see the pattern? Terrific. Let's try some more numbers. Repeat after me. 195. 196. 197. 198. 199. What's next? Can you guess? It's 200. Please repeat after me. 200. Yes, that's right. Now follow me. 200. 201. 202. 203. Great. What comes after 299? Right, it's 300. Count with me. 300. 301. 302. 303. What comes after the 300s? The 400s. Repeat. 400. 401. 402. 403. Then the 500s. Repeat. 500. 501. 502. 503. Then come the 600s and the 700s and the 800s and the 900s. All have the same pattern. Let's practice a few. Just repeat after me. 525. 635. 763. 876. 999. Wow, you did that very well. All of the numbers from 100 to 999 are three-digit numbers. There are 3 digits in each number. But what comes after 999? The answer is 1,000. Can you say that? 1,000. Try it again. 1,000. One more time. 1,000. Well done. 1,000 is a 4-digit number because there are 4 digits. Let's count from 1,000. Ready? Please repeat. 1,000. 1,001. 1,002. 1,003. 1,004. Do you see the pattern? The pattern is similar for the 2,000s. Let's try. 2,000. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. It's easy, you can do it. Same for the 3,000s. 3,000, 3001, 3002, 3003, 3004. This pattern continues for the 4,000s, the 5,000s, the 6,000s, the 7,000s, the 8,000s, and the 9,000s. Let's try some different 4-digit numbers. Ready? 1,435. 2,289. 3,187. 4,862, 5,110, 6,290, 7,777, 8,118, 9,009. Well done. Good job. Now, what is the largest 4-digit number? Correct, 9,999. What is the next number after 9,999? The answer is 10,000. Please repeat. 10,000. One more time. 10,000. Great. 10,000 is a 5-digit number. Let's count. Ready? Please repeat. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. Excellent. All of the numbers from 10,000 to 99,999 are 5-digit numbers. What's next? The first 6-digit number is 100,000. Can you say that? 100,000. Try it again. 100,000. Good. Now, follow me. 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000, 900,000. I think you see the pattern. Very good. All numbers from 100,000 to 999,999 are 6-digit numbers. What's next? The next number after 999,999 is 1 million. Have you ever heard of this number? Try it. 1 million. One more time. 1 million. Terrific. One more time. 1 million. Well done. 1 million is a big number. How many digits does the number 1 million have? Yes, it has 7 digits. Now, let's try some large numbers. 1,005, 15,364, 87,666, 145,873, 458,734, 732,956, 1,267,532, 2,489,500, 6,248,519, 9,325,710. Great job! These are difficult to learn. Very well done. Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about large numbers. Goodbye. See you next time on Number Power.
Hello! The job market is a competitive place. In today's economy, extra skills mean a better job for you. Speaking English is the skill you need for greater opportunity, more money, and a brighter future. Introducing Hello Channel, an exciting new television channel that teaches English as you watch TV. There's something for everyone, and the more you watch, the faster you'll learn. All you have to do is say hello.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number Power. On today's show, we will learn all about zero and negative numbers. We have learned about numbers from 1 to 1 million. Many different numbers, some small and some very large. All of these numbers are positive. This means that all of these numbers are greater than 0. What is 0? 0 is a number, but 0 means nothing or the absence of anything. For example, there are no apples in this bowl. We can also say there are 0 apples in this bowl. This park is empty. There are no children in this park. There are 0 children in this park. Do you see any leaves on this tree? There are no leaves on this tree. There are 0 leaves on this tree. There are no birds on this pond. There are 0 birds on this pond. This is the symbol for 0. Have you seen it before? I'm sure you have. Here are 3 cars. Here are 2 cars. Here is 1 car. Here are no cars. There are 0 cars here. Now, let's count down from 10 to 1. Ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. After 1, what is next? Next is 0. 0 is what follows 1 when we count down. Now let's count down again from 10, but this time let's go all the way to 0. Ready? Repeat after me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Remember, 0 indicates that there is nothing. How else can we describe 0? Well, 5 minus 5 is 0. If you have 5 and then take away 5, there is nothing left. There is 0 left. 10 minus 10 is 0. 100 minus 100 is 0. Well done. I think you understand 0. Are there numbers that reflect an amount less than 0? Is there anything beyond 0? Yes, negative numbers. What is a negative number? Let's find out. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 is less than 1. It is less than 0. Negative 1 is 1 less than 0. Let's try another. 5 minus 10 is negative 5. We use a negative sign for negative numbers. If there is no sign in front of the number is positive. So we say 10 to indicate a positive 10, and we say negative 10 to indicate a negative 10. Okay, let's count down from 10 or positive 10 to negative 10. Ready? Let's begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. Very good. What is 6 minus 7? Right, negative 1. What is 10 minus 20? Correct, negative 10. What is 50 minus 100? Yes, negative 50. Good. Well done. I think you understand the concept of negative numbers. Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about 0 and negative numbers. Goodbye. See you next time on Number Power.
Hello, I'm Nastasia, and I'd like to introduce you to Hello Channel, the innovative new way to learn English as a second language. If you can learn English, your opportunities expand. Knowing English allows you greater job options, more money, and a better lifestyle. Here's the best part. Learning English is now easy because Hello Channel brings it right to your home. Come join our classroom, enjoy great entertainment, and improve your vocabulary, all while you watch TV. A brighter future is ahead if you'll just say hello.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number Power. On today's show, we will learn all about fractions and decimals. First, let's talk about fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is something less than a whole number. For example, what happens if you split one apple into two equal parts? You end up with two halves. Neither part is a whole. Each half is a fraction. Together they form a whole apple or one apple, but separately they are only halves. So when there are two equal parts of something, each part is called a half. If there is more than one half, the parts are referred to as halves. We say 1/2, 2 halves. Repeat after me. 1/2. Very good. Now say 2 halves. Well done. How do we express a half? A half is written as 1/2. The number on top, the numerator, indicates how many parts we are referring to. In this case, the numerator is 1 because we are talking about just 1/2. The lower number, the denominator, reflects the total amount of parts available. In this case, the apple was split into two parts, so the denominator is 2. If there are 3 parts, we call each part a third. If there are 4 parts, each part is a quarter or a fourth. 5 parts, each is a fifth. 6 parts, each is a sixth. 7 parts, each is a seventh. 8 parts, each is an eighth. 9 parts, each is a ninth. And 10 parts, each is a tenth. Let's practice fractions. Repeat after me. A third, a fourth, a fifth, a sixth, a seventh, an eighth, a ninth, a tenth. Wonderful. Remember, a fourth is also a quarter. Now let's add the words whole and half to make the list complete. Ready? Follow me. A whole, a half, a third, a fourth, a fifth, a sixth, a seventh, an eighth, a ninth, a tenth. Wow, very good. So what is the result if we split an apple into 4 parts? What is the fraction? The fraction is quarters or fourths. 1/4 can be expressed as 1/4. 1 on the top and 4 on the bottom. 1/4 or 1/4. 2 quarters can be expressed as 2/4. 2 on the top and 4 on the bottom. 2/4 or 2 quarters. 3 quarters can be expressed as 3/4. 3/4 or 3 quarters. And 4 quarters can be expressed as 4/4. 4/4 or 4 quarters. 4/4 is also a whole or 1. 2/4 is also a half. Well done. Now let's try a different example. A pie is cut into 6 parts, and we have 5 of them. That is expressed as 5/6. We call this 5/6. Try it. 5/6. What if there are 2 parts? Yes, the answer is 2/6. 2/6 is also 1/3. What if you have a piece of wood cut into 8 parts? What is 1 part? 1 part is 1/8 or 1/8. What are 2 parts? Yes, 2/8. 3 parts? Yes, 3/8. Do you see the pattern? Good job. Well done. Fractions can be attached to whole numbers. For example, this number is 1/2. This number is 3/4. And this number is 9 5/8. Now, let's talk about decimals. There is another way to express a portion of a whole number. 1/2 can also be expressed as 0.5. The point is a decimal point, but we simply refer to it as a point. Repeat after me. 0.5. Good. 0.5 is 1/2. 0.25 is 1/4 or 1/4. 0.1 is 1/10. These numbers are called decimals because they use a decimal point. Repeat after me. Decimal. Once again, decimal. Good. This number is 0.35. We don't say 0.35, but rather 0.35. We say each digit in the decimal individually. Let's try another. 0.7634. Say it with me. 0.7634. One more. 0.97016. Now try it with me. 0.97016. Excellent. Decimals can be attached to whole numbers as well. What is this number? Yes, it is 1.8. What is this number? Correct, it is 36.55. Now try a bigger number. What number is this? Well done. It is 9,356.854. Very good. I think you've got it. Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about fractions and decimals. Goodbye. See you next time on Number Power.